Halor Kathong ka Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment ka Sarkar India ban rading kong yaw drugs. Haka artarek Jylla arhajar ka Office of Deputy Commissioner West Giant Hills District, haringkar bat ka Office District Social Welfare Officer ka West Giant Hills District, kila plepat ba ya ka benta ka baar jong ka Nasha Mukt, ka tip kum ka District Level Nasha Mukt, Bharat Abhiyan Campaign arhajar Yakani ka campaign an sa pentray kamling ba katanat social welfare, katanat pulen, ka District Medical and Health Officer DMNHO, ka District Legal Service Authority DLSA, katanat sports pat kikinhun traymon sangubha ka bakantop, ya ka Breakthrough De-Addiction and Rehabilitation Center Klitterchi, ka Ferrando Home Care and Support Center Yalong, ka Society for Urban and Rural Empowerment SHA, bat Commitment to Community Social Welfare Association MCSWA Jowai. Hakani ka sngi lai don lang do Abhinav Kumar Singh, Deputy Commissioner ka West Giant Hills District, Ishan Gupta IPS Additional Superintendent of Police West Giant Hills District bat QA Habai jingkran Ishan Gupta uloong, bau drugs ulong kum ka Khlam ka bapur stat kelengkari India bat menta ka Jylla Meghalaya ru ka Ngat lang hakani ka Khlam.
Abhiyan Phase 2, 2025 and drugs is a great issue. It's like an epidemic which we are facing, and this malice is only spreading throughout India. Meghalaya is not left behind. We hope that with this initiative, with the coming together of all the departments, we can ensure a Nasha Mukt West Giant Hills and contribute in the effort towards Nasha Mukt Bharat.
Abhinav Kumar Singh uli thu sapang ki program ki bansale na kabanta ka campaign bar kita kilong ka jing kop draw ka jing mare marathon ka jing penile kai drama hakilenti singkien na lor kiwe de ki jing pen sngol thu pat ba halor drugs.
In the forms of multiple programs or initiatives that are undertaken by the district administration at Atiar Government College, and also there will be awareness programs in the rural areas, because that is also one of the key areas where there will be different resource persons with regard to, we have got identified 7 particular associations or the departments. First would be Meghalaya Community Social Welfare Association. Second would be Drok, where is Society for Rural and Urban Area, that is Shillong Mail. Then at Mukt, Breakthrough De-Addiction and Rehabilitation Center. Then at Ferrando Home Care and Support Center Yalong. And Pyrshah, Breakthrough De-Addiction and Rehabilitation Center. And Shillong by the Office of the DSWO. Then Mukt by Meghalaya Community Social Welfare Association Jylla. We really look forward in order to ensure that our district becomes a full Nasha Mukt Bharat. I mean, the part of Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan, and is one of the leading beacons in our state. I would also like to share that last year, the previous district where I was, it was awarded by Ministry with regard to Drok Hills, wherein it was given the award. I am looking forward that this year, with your all support and intervention, the same could be replicated in this district.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, page ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko Office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.